Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to earn extra income from the comfort of your home? If yes, then this video is for you. We will be discussing the essential tips and strategies on how to make money online as a beginner. The first step in making money online is to identify your skills and interests. Do you enjoy writing, designing, or programming? Determine what you're good at and see how you can turn it into a profitable business. Once you know your skills and interests, find your niche. What specific area can you serve that has a high demand? Do proper research to see what's trending and create content around it. There are various platforms to monetize your skills and interests. Choose the platform that suits your niche, such as blogging, YouTube, or social media. Start creating content and building your audience. To make money online, you need to market and promote your content to reach a wider audience. Utilize social media, SEO strategies, and email marketing to increase your exposure. Making money online takes time and effort. Be consistent and persistent in creating content and engaging with your audience. Your hard work will pay off in due time. That's it for our essential tips and strategies on how to make money online as a beginner. Remember to identify your skills and interests, find your niche, choose your platform, market and promote your content, and be consistent and persistent. Start making money online today.